Hello, it is me again. Happy Friday. These are going to be your priorities today with Mr. McGrail, and again, make sure that you are treating him with the utmost respect. We want him back. First priority is you're going to be getting together with your groups, your roller coaster groups, and you're going to share your questions and answers from Newton's videos yesterday. Kind of do it like quiz style, try to quiz each other with it. And the reason you're doing this is kind of to see if your questions and answers make sense. If somebody in your group thinks that your questions and answers don't make sense, you may change them before you turn them in. This will help your grade. Once you're done doing that with your group members, remember you're going to turn them into the green box here. Make sure that every single note card is labeled with your name, your rotation, and which video it is that you are writing questions and answers to. Let me make that clear. You have to write questions and answers to each one, but you'll have 3 note cards to do that. Your second priority, if you can handle it behavior-wise, that means no misbehaving and all hands on deck in regards to working on the video, is to work on your group video. Mr. McGrail will use his discretion about who can go to the library. If you went Wednesday, you can't go today. If you went Thursday, you can't go today. Okay, so you'll have to do any video recording like in the corner of a room. Your third priority is to work on the Quizlet sets. The Quizlet sets are found. Scratch that. You know where the Quizlet sets are found because you worked on them yesterday. Today, you will be creating a Quizlet account and creating your own sets. Now, it's really important that you create your account correctly the first time, otherwise you won't have teacher access and we won't be able to use your sets for Quizlet Lives. So you're going to go to Quizlet.com and you're going to sign up for an account. And I want you to sign up with your email rather than using sign up with Google because I'm not for sure if it will work if you sign up with Google. I want you to use your email. I want you to use my birthday, which is 1964. You can use whatever month and day you want, but use 1964 as the year. And then your username, whatever you want your username to be, your school email address, and then your Lunchpin plus learn for this. And then the thing that you have to make sure that you do, oh, why doesn't it say that on here? It should say, I am a teacher right here. Oh, I bet if I click the year. I'm not trying to promote lying, but I want you to be able to do the Quizlet Live. So let's see if we put a birth year in there, day, month. Yep. So then we get the little I am a teacher. You want to click that. If you don't click that, you won't be able to do the live competitions. Okay. Once you create your account, you should be able to just start creating your sets. There's a little create button up here. I'm not going to run through the whole way to do it because I know you can figure it out. But you'll hit create. Give your set a name. You can always change that later. Hit create. And then you can just go ahead and start creating. Now I want you to have at least 12 cards or 12 definitions or terms in each set because you need 12 in order to play Quizlet Live. Okay, you can do any kind of roller coaster type of Quizlet that you want. If you want to do using some of the vocabulary words that we've done so far, that's fine. If you want to look up some new information, that's fine. Newton's 3 laws of motion, that's fine. Whatever you want to do regarding roller coasters or forces of motion. All right. All right, and then your last priority is just to make sure that all of your work is turned in that's supposed to be turned in today. Any questions? Ask a friend. Have a great weekend.